Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Imal Cloud Sec. So in this video, I'll be walking you through some of the top cloud security books. In my opinion, take that with a pinch of salt. So basically, like a lot of people that try to get into cloud security, they're always looking like what are the best books that they can use to read. Like some people tend to just prefer reading books to like watching videos. In the subsequent video, I'll show you like other like resources or like courses or videos where you can like learn cloud security for free. In this video, I'll just be walking you through some of the best cloud security books on AWS and Google, Azure, and some ones that are like just industry-wide and not like specific to cloud, but like cloud security in general. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So the first one I want to talk about is the AWS Certified Security Study Guide. It has like six or seven authors, from Dario Wolfram to Alexandra MSP Moraes. But honestly, it's a really great book. If you're thinking of preparing for the AWS Security Specialty certification, basically like breaks down the whole like, exam curriculum. So from like the fundamentals of cloud security to identity access management to data protection to network security to logging and monitoring, all of that good stuff, which is super exciting for you. Also like practice exams, which you can like try out. Just to get yourself like ready for the exam. So I definitely recommend is the AWS Certified Security Specialty Guide. It's a really good book. So the next one I want to talk about is the another AWS Certified Security Specialty Exam Guide. This one is written by Stuart Scott. It's a really great book as well, because why I like it is that he has like detailed like examples, labs, and all of that, and great diagrams as well. So if you're also preparing for the AWS Certified Security Specialty, you can use this book. It's also with the first one I recommended earlier. So there are two really good books for like learning about like the AWS security ecosystem. So moving on to Azure, the book I strongly recommend is the Microsoft Azure Security Technologies Certification and Beyond by David Okoyede, his friend. Really, really good book. It really like covers the whole Azure ecosystem. So same thing from the IAM to data protection to network security. And apart from the fact that it prepares you for the certification, it also gives you like real life hands-on knowledge and experience on how to like actually secure the Azure environment, which is really, really good. So I highly recommend this book if you're trying to secure your Azure ecosystem. In terms of Google Cloud, right now there isn't a specific book for Google Cloud security, but these are some other books that they kind of like talk about Google Cloud security, even though they're not like focused directly on securing Google Cloud. So the first one I want to mention is the Professional Cloud Architect Study Guide there are domains where he talks about like how to secure Google Cloud. So I'll definitely recommend it. Just having like a read through. It's a really good book as well. The next one I want to talk about is the Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud Architect by Iman Ganizadeh. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Honestly, it's for the Professional Cloud Architect exam, but he also has like parts where he talks about like how to secure Google Cloud, which is really great. So I would definitely recommend it as well. And the next one is the Visualizing Google Cloud by the popular Priyanka Vegadia. It's a really, really good book. It's a great read. The reason why I really like this book a lot is she spends a lot of time like creating like visual diagrams. And if you're a visual person that likes it, if you prefer like diagrams than like just reading stuff, it's honestly, it's just super helpful. And I definitely enjoyed like reading it. It's not focused mainly on security, but trust me, the security aspect, you'd enjoy it. She did a really great job with this. The next one I want to talk about is the Professional Cloud Architect Google Certification Guide by Karen Clapper and Brian Jarrett. As much as it's for the Cloud Architect Certification exam, the security domain is quite really good as well. And it also has like some labs and steps that you can like go through, which is really great. So definitely super recommend. This is the second edition, so if you're trying to get this book, make sure you get the second edition. The first edition is good, but the second edition has a lot more details and stuff, so which is really great. So if you're looking for cloud agnostic books, one that are like from ICC2 for like the CSP and CCK, these are some of the books I recommend. So the first one is the Certified Cloud Security Professionals Official Study Guide by Mike Chappell and David Sedey. It's a really good book because it prepares you for the Certified Cloud Security Specialty exam. As like with most books written by Cybex, it also has like practical exams that you can like test out yourself after you've like gone through all the cloud security domain. So I definitely strongly recommend this one. The next one I'll mention is the Certified Cloud Security Professional for Dummies, written by author Jane Dean. For me, I just like books that like break things down to like the very minute. It really helps you like makes things very simple. So if you're starting from scratch and trying to like get cloud security, I definitely recommend this, and it also helps you like prepare for the CCSP, which is great as well. So yeah, definitely look at this. And the last one is the CCSK, the Certificate of Cloud Security Knowledge, written by Graham Thompson. Super great book. So if you're preparing for the CCSK, definitely like super recommend this, because it not only does it prepare you for the exam, it also like covers like most of the cloud security domains, which is really great. So definitely have a look at it. Top book in my opinion. So yeah. So that was a quick run through of some of the top cloud security certification books. It's a list that I'm still growing. I'm also like adding to my collection. If you think of any cloud security book that you've read and you found like super interesting, please add it down in the comments. Yeah, in my opinion, those are like some of the best books. So thank you for taking our time to watch this video. I just wanted to keep it very brief, and I'll see you in the next video.